see. Wanna hear from your heart. We're in this thing together.
Happy birthday, Ate Josie! Unang-una, maraming salamat. Lagi ka nandyan para sa pamilya natin na nakasupport sa lahat ng events and ups and downs ng pamilya natin.
Wish namin na sana magkaroon pa ng maraming birthdays na dumating at saka syempre travels with Kuya Manny at makasama ka rin namin ng mahabang panahon pa.
We love you, Ate Josie.
Yes, we love you!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Take my hand, we're in this thing together. We're in this thing together.
Happy birthday, Nene! Welcome to Seniors Club. More birthdays to come. All the best in life.
Happy birthday, Ne! Sana ma-enjoy mo tong araw na to. God bless!
More birthday to come. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Nene!
Happy birthday,
Ate Josie. Alam mo na kung ba't ka namin tinatawag na Tulfi, di ba? Ikaw ang pinaka-sumbungan namin. And thank you, Ate, for always being there for the whole Palma Pips. We thank you din sa care na binibigay mo sa aming magkakapatid.
Take my hand, we're in this thing together. We're in this thing together.
Happy birthday, Te. I do hope and pray that you would go further in your life and continue to inspire others. Happy birthday, Te.
Happy birthday, Te.
Happy birthday.
Bye-bye.
While we are here, we're in this thing together.
Hello, Mi. Happy birthday. 68 ka na. I wish you good health and enjoy sa mga travel nyo ni Daddy. More travel. Enjoy Seniors Club. Happy birthday.
We're in this thing together.
Senior Club, I wish you more travel with that. Good health and see you next time. Bye.
Take my hand, we're in this thing together.
Hi, Mami. Happy 60th birthday. Sana nag-enjoy ka sa surprise namin sa'yo and sana na-surprise ka. Wish ko sana long life, tas good health, and more travels pa tayo. And kayo ni Daddy. Happy birthday!
Beating in perfect time. What's mine is yours. What's yours is mine. Whatever we have and whatever we.
Sa iyo, aking asawa, happy 60th birthday. Wish ko sa ating pagtanda, malusog tayo, healthy, at ay makarating pa tayo sa maraming lugar na magkasama. Sabay nating pinagse-celebrate ang bawat araw na dumarating sa ating buhay. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Happy 60th birthday.
Than we ever could dream. We're in this thing together.